Alright guys, it's Big C, my last break from last night, and my favorite product, Museum Collection. It is April 25th, 4:57 p.m. And we're doing a Museum Collection from last night. Probably won't post it, upload it yet, just because I'm waiting for some people to pay. Here is the sign-up sheet, ending 4/24, which is last night. And this is this. I think everything did sell out. So again, just a reminder to everybody: eBay has cut the. They're cracking down on the box breaks again. You can't have box breaks in the title, or they'll suspend your account like they did mine for 3 days. So I'm actually can't list anything. I can do everything else. I just can't list anything until Friday evening. So make sure you put me as a favorite seller as far as eBay goes. That way you'll know when I list new things. You can just click on that and see what I have on. And because I guess the keywords are going to be now team grab bag will be what you'll search. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big C 2020141. Hit the camera. 141, and that way when I open up the store and all that, I'll be able, I'll send messages and stuff through there or whatever. So just make sure and that way when I also upload videos, I don't have to send out all those links, because eBay don't like you to do that either. So it just makes it easier if you subscribe to it. You'll just get an email when I have a video that's uploaded. Here we go. Here's pack 1. That's garbage. I still have yet to pull a book card or a metal card out of this. Well, I've opened a few packs on my own and still haven't. I mean, this is probably, I've opened like 3 or 4 boxes on my own and really haven't. I mean, I got some neat cards, but just haven't pulled the metal card or or a book card yet. Here we go. There are the packs, and we are off. The back card up looks like Gaylord Perry, I believe, or Phil Niekro. 61 out of 299 for Atlanta. That would be Dreamer's Joy. Buster Posey to Austin Boggs. 2. Then we have Jared Weaver Angels, which would be Chuck F480. Amaris Ramirez, I can't say that. The Brewers, which would be the Rocky 07. And Jaime Garcia for the Cardinals, which would be THTIBAW, 397 out of 399 for the Cardinals. Alright, pack 2. Pull the front one up. We got Mark Teixeira, Yankees, Austin Boggs, and that's 61 out of 299. Then we have Robinson Cano, Yankees, Austin Boggs. Julio Terrain, Braves, Dreamer's Joy. Phil Niekro, Braves again, Dreamer's Joy. And this will be, let's see here, it will actually go to the top left corner, which is Miguel Cabrera, 43 out of 99 primary pieces. And that would be RS Nation 1918. But it's Miguel Cabrera, Adrian Gonzalez, David Ortiz, and Prince Fielder. So, it's a pretty neat card. And then now we'll unpack a 3. Donnie Baseball, Don Mattingly, Austin Boggs, 2/7 67 out of 299. Eric Hauser, Royals. Chuck F480, Stan the Man, the Cardinals. THTIBAW. Raleigh Fingers, A's. RS Nation, 1918. And a jumbo, Ivan Rodriguez, 13 out of 50 for the Nationals. And that would be Nate Hooten, 99. So the last pack, and this should be a jumbo patch auto, or I'm sorry, just a patch auto. 199, Cole Hamels for the Phillies. DJ Kenny. Derek Jeter, Yankees. Austin Boggs. Greg Kimball, Dreamer's Joy, Braves. Canvas Collection, Roy Halladay, Phillies. DJ Kenny. Reggie Jackson, A's, 22 out of 99. Ooh, this short print. Oh, that's a nice patch here. 22 out of 99. RS Nation for the A's. And Andre Ether, Dodgers. Cruising 72. Nice patch, 7 out of 10. Huh. That's a pretty sweet card there. Jumbo Relic Autograph card. So there you have it. Again, thanks a lot, guys. Keep checking them out, Big C 2020-14. And make sure you guys keep subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big C 2020141. Thanks, guys.